These are the elevators at the Hilton in Tampa, Florida. Let's go up to, I don't think we're gonna get to 16 or 17, will we? We can go to 15 though. Here we are at 15. Here's a little lookout. Let's go down to lobby. I think these are Schindler 400A, but I'm not entirely sure of that. Also, interestingly enough, the 12 button is pushed in. I don't even know if it works. I guess we could always find out. Here are your fixtures. Inspection certificate is like folded up. Let's go back up. Actually, while we're at it, the 12 button does work on this side. It's like kind of a little loose, but it works. Yeah, the whole button is like kind of messed up. Alright, here's your cab view. We're still here on the 12th floor. I think we're just gonna go back down. Let's go. Actually, wait, let's go 2. Because that's where I got in, actually. I started the video at the lobby, but the sky bridge is on 2. Because I think it is. Also, there's a fitness center on 5 and meeting rooms on 2.